Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. 1 billion XRP unlocked from escrows. Here's where tokens go. Exactly 1 billion XRP tokens were unlocked from escrow accounts on the first day of the year. While such occurrences are considered commonplace and usual for many in the XRP community, this time it was not without surprises. If previously XRP was unlocked directly from Ripple escrows, this time, according to Whale Alert, it happened in unknown accounts. However, Bitomp identifies these addresses as Ripple's, each of which currently holds 1 billion XRP. The same tokens that were unlocked today are still in the wallets and have not yet been redirected to exchanges or other ODL sites. What's all fuss about Ripple's XRP escrows? As reported by You Today, by unlocking XRP from its escrows each month, Ripple aims to bring predictability to the XRP offering when the token is directly used by the company in its transactions. While initially 55% of the 100 billion XRP supply was locked in such accounts, that number has now fallen to 42.7%. Most of the tokens are now on the market. At the same time, according to XRP Arcade, only 184 million tokens, on average, remain on the market out of the monthly release of 1 billion XRP from escrow. Overall, an upward trend is evident in the present amount of XRP on the market, with Ripple recording net sales of a combined $718 million, according to its last two quarterly reports. SEC versus Ripple. The major highlights and key twists of 2022. As the year draws to a close, it will certainly be remembered most for turning the crypto market blood red and sending all of the overly enthusiastic bulls to heel their broken horns. For only one cryptocurrency and one crypto company, 2022 was not the beginning but the continuation of the fight for life. We are, of course, talking about XRP and Ripple and their opponent, the U.S. Securities Commission, with Gary Gensler at the helm. Warming at the start of the year, the battle between the crypto business and the powerful regulator was more like an endless tug of war, and quite exhausting at that. However, that is probably to the credit of Ripple and the lawyers, who were willing to incur multi-million-dollar costs and not let go of their end of the rope, with only the fair notice argument up their sleeve. The field around the case at the time was filled with predictions of an end date rather than concrete advances. Nevertheless, as early as February, it was disclosed through the court that Ripple had clarified XRP's not a security status with independent lawyers back in 2012, long before the SEC became aware of digital payments. From this point onward, Ripple began to score small victories here and there during the process, but it was not enough for Judge Torres to grant motions by the company's executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, to dismiss the case in March. However, at the same time, the court rejected the commission's attacks on Ripple's one and only fair notice argument, and the process started all over again. Ripple's next big victory came in April, when a court refused to allow the commission to withhold important confidential documents. It is worth noting that, all this time, a secondary storyline was running through the process, involving recordings of speeches by former SEC head William Hinman, which the commission was actively trying to keep out of the way. Heating since then, Hinman's speeches have been a key focus of the battle between Ripple and the SEC. The case was finally moving into a hot and rather messy stage when, in July, the commission was rebuked for hypocrisy by Magistrate Judge Ned Byrne for trying to conceal a number of facts, and its attorney-client privilege claims to keep Hinman's documents secret were rejected. As time went on, Jed McCaleb emptied his taco stand of millions of XRP, and Brad Garlinghouse estimated legal fees at $100 million already, all the while sharing plans for an IPO and threatening to leave the US if Ripple lost the case. The SEC then also failed in its attempt to fend off XRP holders, several tens of thousands of whom were joined by lawyer John Deaton in a class action lawsuit against the regulator. The tug of justice continued to be pulled in different directions until mid-September, when important events began to unfold. The first of these was a report from the U.S. Chamber of Digital Commerce criticizing the SEC and expressing a desire to participate in the lawsuit as an independent third party by filing an amicus brief. The number of such filings would later grow to 16, with the majority filed in support of XRP and Ripple. Will this pattern crash XRP, or is a bullish revival set for 2023? The XRP market has been exhibiting a head and shoulder pattern for the second half of 2022, which is often seen as a bearish signal indicating a potential decline in price. This pattern occurs when buyers are unable to push the price higher after reaching a certain level of support, known as the neckline, leading to a downward trend. However, a bullish indication hints at a bounce back in 2023. Key points. A head and shoulder pattern governs the XRP price action. A bullish breakout from 40 cents will undermine this bearish pattern. The intraday trading volume in the XRP price is $372.1 million, indicating a 50% loss. Despite the recent bullish recovery reaching the heights of the 50-day EMA, the XRP market price takes a bearish turn to create a bearish pattern coming in the long term. In the month of December, the market value of the refill token has plunged by 16.5% and trades slightly below the mark of 35 cents. Coming back to the long-term pattern, the price trend shows a head and shoulder pattern forming in the daily chart with the neckline at 31 cents minus 0.3. The neckline gets credibility by acting as a strong support level during the consolidation phase between June and October. Continuing the falling trend under the bearish-aligned EMAs, the market value may soon succumb below the neckline, highlighting a bearish entry point. In such a case, XRP investors can witness further decline in market price, potentially a drop of 37% to the next support level at 18 cents. On a contrary note, if the new year brings new investors for Ripple, a reversal above the neckline crossing the 40 cents mark will break the bearish hypothesis. Additionally, to support the bullish reversal, a double bottom pattern is evident within the right shoulder of the bearish pattern. Considering the bulls get momentum in 2023, a double bottom breakout can revive the XRP buying spree. Technical indicator EMA. Undermining the recovery in November and December, the crucial daily EMAs 20, 50, 100, 200 maintain a negative trend, displaying a long-term bearish phase in action. Relative strength indicator. The RSI slope shows a short-term decline from the midline, but the bullish divergence in the double bottom pattern keeps the hope burning for XRP buyers. XRP price analysis for December 31st, the last day of the year, is about to close in the bullish zone, according to the CoinMarketCap ranking. XRP, USD. The price of XRP is outperforming the top coins, going up by 1.42% over the past 24 hours. On the hourly chart, the rate of XRP has made a false breakout of the support at 34 cents against the low volume. Moreover, the price has fixed above the resistance at $0.3429. If buyers can hold XRP above that mark until the end of the day, the upward move may continue to $0.3460 tomorrow. The situation is less positive on the bigger time frame as the price remains closer to the support zone than the resistance. If bulls lose the 34 cents mark, the accumulated energy might be enough to break the $0.3321 level. The forming weekly candle shows neither bullish nor bearish signals for XRP. This statement is also confirmed by the low volume, which means that traders are losing interest in the altcoin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.